Hello there and welcome to Cellular Pros. In this channel we do tech reviews and tutorials, so if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. And if you're interested in making an extra $1,000 per week working part-time hours from your phone, then check out the video link in the description. Let's get right to the video now. Hello everyone, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how to install your SIM card and SD card into your ZTE Tempo X. Alright, so I'm going to be showing you how to install the SIM card so you can start receiving service on your phone. And I'm going to show you how to install the SD card so that you can transfer old pictures and videos to the SD card to free up space on your phone. And also how to set it up so that new pictures and videos are automatically saved to the SD card rather than the internal memory of the phone. Alright, so let's get right to it. First thing we're going to want to do is remove the back cover. It's going to have a slight opening down here towards the bottom. You're going to pull up on it. Okay, no need to remove the battery. So let's go ahead and place the SIM card on this slot right here. The one towards the left. Okay, and the SD card is going to go on the right slot. The smaller part facing in first, and push it in until it doesn't go in anymore. There we go. Let's go ahead and place the back cover back on and power the phone on. Alright, so the phone has booted on here. So if your SIM card is activated, it's going to pick up signal right away. So you should get service instantly as long as your SIM card is activated and you're using the correct SIM card. Alright, I'm going to show you how to set up the SD card now so that pictures and videos taken from now on are saved to the SD card rather than the memory of the phone. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to go to camera. Alright, so sometimes we get a message, but this time we didn't. So either way, I'm going to show you how to make sure that it's set up correctly. What we're going to do is we're going to go to the settings bar up here. And we're going to go to save location. Okay, so here we are in storage settings. Once you're here, you're going to select save location. That should say SD card. So it's good. If not, just select it and select SD card. Okay, so that you can make sure once it says SD card, pictures or videos taken will be automatically saved to the SD card from now on. Okay, let's go ahead and show you now how to transfer old files, old pictures, videos, any other type of files to the SD card to free up space on the memory of the phone. So we're going to find the file manager right here. Okay, once you're here, we're going to select local. And here we're going to see the internal memory of the phone and the memory of the SD card. So we're going to select phone since we're transferring out of the phone. Here are all the files in your phone. So I'm going to just, for the purpose of the video, transfer pictures and videos. They're going to be in the DCIM folder and then camera folder. So here, as you can see, I have 2 pictures. You're most likely going to have a lot more. But what you're going to do is you're going to select the 3 dots up here. You're going to tap multi-select. And you're going to click on the little box up here to select all. Okay, so what you're going to do now is you're going to select this little arrow button down here. And this is to move. So you're going to move it now. Let's go back to SD card. Here you're going to select the file in the SD card that you want to move it to. So I'm going to create a new folder in the SD card and I'm going to name it ZTE Pics. Or you can just select any of these folders as well to save the pictures. But I want to create a specific folder to have it organized. So here it is, ZTE Pics. I'm going to select the folder and I'm going to paste them here. Okay, so as you can see, the 2 pictures were transferred to the SD card now. Let's go ahead and make sure they're not in the internal memory of the phone anymore. Let's go back to DCIM, camera, And as you can see, they are not here anymore. So they were transferred out, freeing up space in the memory of the phone. And remember, you can do this with any other type of file that you see here that you want to transfer over to free up space. So this was just a quick video helping you install your SIM card and SD card in your ZTE Tempo X.